Hey everyone, it's me, Puppy, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the September Allure box. This is the last Allure beauty box before the price hike in October. So we're going to say goodbye to our $15 and say even more sad goodbye to $22. Because I do love Allure and I am going to stick with it, so I hope it's worth it. And if it's not, I'll find something else. You never know. There are tons of beauty things happening every day. But here we have our little thing, our little pamphlet with all the items. As usual, I really wish they would, I don't know, simplify it. It just seems like wasted paper to me. Here's a red paper, as always. I hope next month they do like an orange or a black. That would be nice. Let's get into the makeup. And skincare, of course. Because the first thing I picked out was a La Roche-Posay 50 Face. Oh, it is Mineral Light Fluid Sunscreen. I have no clue why we're getting sunscreen in fall, but you know, hey, I'm vampire pale. I could always use sunscreen for the once a week I go out to the grocery store. So it's this little tube. It's very cute. It looks just like a generic, sunscreen tube. Oh, God, it is liquidy. Just dripping down my hand. It looks like a whiteout. And it has the suntan smell. The copper tone, summer smell that every sunscreen smells like, unless it's like a specific scent. But we will definitely probably use this never, but I don't know, it's good to have, I guess. Next item. This was the month of brushes, I guess. I just got one in my Ipsy bag. We have, it's double wrapped, yikes, a NYX, which I do love NYX, Professional Makeup 05 fluffy little ended brush, and it is very fluffy, very soft. This would be a good powder, contour, it is really soft. It's nice, it is nice, but I do like it's all black. I don't have an all black makeup brush. Next item, let's go into this little black box. It is the Cleo Noir Twist Up Eyeliner. I'm not a big fan of any eyeliner that's not a pen type, like the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, the Revlon Master Precise, Maybelline Master Precise. I like my gel and my pen liners. But this one, just a little tube, very cute. It says Cleo Noir, and I think it's purple. I think that is purple. If it's purple, that's going to be awesome. It is indeed purple. That is a purple highlighter. Not a highlighter. Eyeliner. Oh, it's so cute too. It's a nice purple. It's like eggplant purple. Let me see if I can. Okay, well, it's upside down. I can't twist my hand like that, but it is a very nice eggplanty purple. It did glide on very smoothly. So, item number 3. We'll go with 3. Is the usual sheet mask. And this one is by Glamour in Soothing Aloe Texture Refinement. It is your standard sheet mask. You remove the layered sheet, allowing deep moisture grip. Oh, sorry, that's totally not the directions. Leave on for 20-30 minutes before removing. I guess you don't rub the extra into your skin because that's all it says. Just put on for 20-30 minutes and then take it off. Wash your face, put on moisturizer. So, I will use it, but I won't like it. Next item, let's go for this little round boy here. And it is the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I have never used a... Come on. I've never used a cleansing balm before. So, let's see what this is about. It's actually... Whoa. Oh, as soon as I opened that, I just got hit with a smell. Whoa. What is that? It's like beeswax or something. It's very strange. Ooh. That texture is really weird too. That is gel-like. Blech. So it's clear. And just go, ooh, it's ooh. It's greasy. I don't know if you can see that, but that is just, how does this, the game changer, this Cult Classic Cleansing Balm. I start by warming the hydrating algae and shea butter, that's the smell, formula between my fingertips until it becomes an oil. It's definitely oily. Then I gently massage it over my face. With water, the balm transforms into a milky cleanser, and I can see my makeup melting away. Okay, it's a makeup remover. You remove your makeup. So then you do wash this off afterwards, and I would really hope you do because that is an unpleasant feeling. I'll use it, but whatever. Next thing. I couldn't already tell I'm never going to use this. It is a waterless dry conditioner, instant moisture. Conditions dry hair to control frizz. 3 conditioning level. And it's in this cute little pink container. Little spitz. I'm going to do this and it's going to like scare the crap out of me. And I'm going to do it with the hand that I can. Nope, I'm just weak. There we go. Ooh. Ooh. That does smell nice though. That smells really nice. That smells fresh, vibrant, floral, fun. All the F words. That's actually quite lovely. Shake well, I didn't do that. Spray onto ends, brush through. It smells good, just don't inhale it. But I think maybe I will use this. I was told to condition more like 2 years ago by when I got my hair cut last. That's why I wear the wigs, my hair is a disaster. But, yeah, I think I will use that. That's cute. But last item is in this little tube. And I'm guessing it's like a lipstick of some sort. If it's this berry color, I will be so happy. Well, it's kind of brown. And it's from Unlashed. Oh, it's from Wonder Beauty. Oh, that one you saw all the time on freaking Facebook? That, like, you didn't know if it was an M&M. You didn't know if it was an MLM or something? But apparently it's really good. And apparently this is a mascara. In a tube. In a lipstick tube. Huh. Interesting. Let's see. It is in black. It has a curly little... This is not gonna focus for me. Sorry. It's got a curly little applicator. I don't know how to make my thing focus. There we go. Curly little applicator. And no smell. Doesn't look clumpy. I don't have a tester or anything I can test this on, but... Oh. Okay, there we go. No, I don't know. It looks really dry. Am I supposed to shake it up or squooge it out a bit? Because it just looks extremely dry. I think I got a dry tube. Because I was pushing, and that's all I got. So, I don't know. I'll have to test it out, but that looks just extremely dry, not pigmented. Actually kind of sad because, oh, its name is Tarmac. That's cute. But, I don't know, it's kind of a disappoint. But, win some, lose some. That was this month's September's Allure box, the very last $15 box. Can't say I was overly impressed, but I do think this is pretty nice. I will use it. This was interesting. I will use it, but maybe not every day. It feels like it would like gunk up my pores, you know? This disappointment. The brush that I cannot find because everything in my house is black. And I don't know where it went. And this sheet mask, which it's aloe, so it should probably be really soothing and cooling. So, who knows? It might just be... Oh! And this little purple liner. That is very cute, and I do highly enjoy that. And I hope I will highly enjoy that. But anyways, if you like this video, I do one every month. If you would like to see more, please like, comment, subscribe, share, and as always, this is Puppy. Bye!